Ugh. There's no way I'm sleeping any longer. Oh. Have you found anything?
You're supposed to be asleep right now.
Did you
What
find
are you
anything?
doing here? Here, take this. Take it, breathe. Breathe in it. Fast.
Oh, thank God. Huh. Oh, Davin, look.
I want to save that third one. What happened? What happened? Oh no! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Oh, wake up! Breathe into it! Breathe into it!
Here,
Breathe into
I'm
it!
gonna take him to our house. Come
Okay. Okay. Take him to the house. I need to find another oxygen tank.
On. Okay, perfect.
Hopefully I do find another one.
Hopefully he's okay.
Okay.
Oliver, you can start waking up.
Ugh! What am I doing on your
Lay on the
back?
ground, lay on the ground. Gotta give him CPR. You good? Come on, get up.
I can't.
You good? Come on. Are you frozen? You have hypothermia or something?
Yes.
Come on, grab on. Go onto my back. I'll take you to our home. Home. It's very warm in there.
Awesome.
It's very warm in our house. Gotta get some oxygen. Right here. Here, it should be warm in here. Yeah, you good? I'll let you rest.
Here,
I'll give him some oxygen.
Here,
yeah, take it.
yours.
You can use
This
it
is
for
yours.
oxygen.
This is yours. That's yours. That's
You
yours.
can use it every so often. We can go 7 minutes without oxygen. Knowing where.
Okay, guys, come here. I found a discovery. I was looking around and I found a little paper, right? What's it called? And the paper said that it was talking about this shipwreck that we're in right now. It said that there was something like an oxygen tank, and it looked like there was like spikes coming out of it. You know that thing that we saw earlier? Let's go back to it. Come on, follow us, guys.
Yeah, come on, bro. What's your name, bro?
It is Jack.
Okay, Jack, come on.
This is an oxygen tank.
Oh, yo, that's what this is? Wait, is this hooked up to these? Is this hooked up to these?
Do we refit
Jack,
I think that's why it was malfunctioning earlier.
Jack, there's
because earlier
oxygen.
mine hit. It was like it was doing this because it was getting super duper close. Yeah, that's what happens.
That's why. This entire thing is filled up with oxygen and it's connected to these, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
but that means it has to run out someday.
Well, I mean, it's pretty big.
It runs out after like 10 puffs. Probably.
Well, this entire thing probably lasts for a while, but it is really old, so it could have been used.
Probably not.
But yeah, this thing probably still has a couple years in it.
Oh.
Because, you know, oxygen can get refilled pretty often.
Where do we go?
I don't know, follow us, Jack.
Let's go.
What's that box?
Yeah, what is that noise?
I don't know.
Let's go check it out. Let's actually go to the tree.
It's coming right there.
Yeah, let's go to the tree and see what we can. Let's go to the tree and grab some weapons to see what we can do with this
what
box.
is that?
Hey Jack, come here. I'm gonna go to the tree and grab some weapons to see what we can do to that box. God, I'm snowed up again.
Wait, what
Here,
happened?
Jack, take a throwing axe.
I thought I was.
We can use
a
these to maybe
business.
open the box. What?
I thought I was in a business.
Yeah, well, the government kind of took over our lives. The government kind of took over our lives. There's not much we can do anymore. Wait, I gotta get oxygen, Dad.
Stuck into this wood.
We're gonna try and open this box.
Wait, get me out of here.
Oh God, he is stuck.
Oh my God! Wait, can I have one?
Oh no.
No, what just happened? Everybody, get to the home. Everybody, get inside now. Guys, where are you?
Where are you?
I'm above the water still. There's someone camping my spot. Guys, I'm gonna get under the water.
Go under. I have to find my stuff. And I have to kill all these things if I
Perfect,
have
right here. Perfect.
Why did I open that?
I don't know. That was terrible. Now you really can't go anywhere.
Ooh! Some grapplers right here.
Oh, Joe, actually? Jesus!
We need his oxygen tank.
Oh, buddy. That's pretty right.
We need his. Get down here. Your oxygen tank is right here.
Guys, I
Oxygen.
think I'm ready to fight.
No,
I
oxygen,
don't
come
got
on.
nothing except for the axe.
All I got is an axe, bro.
Wait, y'all aren't. But you know, I'm pretty ready.
There's not much we can
Did
do.
you
Let's go. It's fighting.
Hey, wait, Jack. Oh, no.
Oh my gosh.
Dang.
Guys, I'm not reacting well to this sea. I think I have hypothermia.
Oh, you don't do that.
Guys, I think I have hypothermia. Oh my God, now we know not to open that.
I found a gun, guys.
Guys, look what I got!
What is that? Gun up, buddy.
Help! Help! I'm running out of oxygen!
I am too. Everybody, grab these crates and grab a bag.
I'm running out of oxygen.
You'll make it, I promise.
Take oxygen.
I was about to do that.
Come on.
I lost
your
We gotta get
oxygen
those
tank?
crates, bro.
I lost it.
Take it. Thank you. Guys, what's happening over here? Davin, Oliver. What is going on?
What?
I keep hearing breathing. Like, seriously.
Wait, did you guys...
His name is Jack, by the way.
Wait,
In case you
turn off the
forgot.
cam, turn off the cam, turn